We all have heard the famous phrase, survival of the fittest. But the brutal truth is harsher. Even the strongest species can vanish in an instant at their peak. The proof lies in a piece of meat frozen for 14,400 years. It came from the woolly rhinoceros, a giant tank from the Ice Age. DNA shows that these rhinos had high genetic diversity right before they disappeared. This means they were not inbred. They were not dying from disease. So it could only have something else killed them. First, scientists blamed climate change. After all, the world warmed rapidly 14,000 years ago. Dry grasslands turned into wet forests. Therefore, woolly rhinos couldn't adapt it well. The problem is that the Earth had warmed many times before. They had survived all those times. So, why did they go extinct this time? Scientists suspect that humans were the new factor. This is called the overkill hypothesis. In Africa, animals have evolved with humans. They already learned to avoid us. But when humans reached new lands like Australia and Americas, local large animals had no defenses. In Australia, up to 85% of them went extinct. In Americas, approximately 70% vanished. Yet woolly rhinos lived in Eurasia, where humans had existed for a long time. Why did they die out only then? That frozen meat actually tells us the full tragic story. Climate change gradually broke the woolly rhino's ancient habitat into small and isolated patches. At this critical point, even the rather low-level human hunting was enough to kill the entire species within just a few hundred years. Climate pushed woolly rhinos to the edge of a cliff, and then humans gave them the final push. From this, we now see humans may have unknowingly ended the giants of the Ice Age.